Another app won't fix your overload. You don't need more tools, you need a command center. Right now, your business looks like a city with no city hall. Everything exists, but nothing is connected. This will create confusion, and the disorder will only waste your time. And you can use AI, but AI will only work if it has structure, without one place to think, decide and store. You're just moving chaos. This week, pick 3 sources of information: clients, leads, operation. Put them in one Notion HQ, one database, one view, and you're done. I break down my exact HQ setup using ChatGPT Zapier Notion. Link below.